Hello and welcome to another exciting video of me doing joinery. It's very blustery outside, but today we are doing a set of stairs and I have bought some new things. So I bought this vest instead of having a big harness because I think the harness should be used for outside rather than inside. It clips all the paintwork and everything, which is not good. I'm thinking if I wore this, put all my nicks and knacks in there, that'd be pretty good. If you don't know why I like wearing stuff like these, it's because I hate weight being on my hips, like with the normal traditional tradesman pants that people wear in the UK. Is they puts a lot of weight on your hips, and I don't like it. It hurts. That is how hard oak is. tidy up now. Oh yeah, finished.